Today we're going to see what's in my bag so you guys can be prepared for anything that happens to you on the road. Okay? So in our bag we have a bike lock. We also have backup battery charger. Okay? It's solar powered. Flashlight, just in case if your nighttime you're on the side of the road stuck and you can't see, you have light. There's all your control panels. You have your power, your outlet power, your battery, that you know how much power you have in your battery, power on, and then your flashlight icon right there. Okay. It also comes with 4 USBs. The blue ones are your fast charging. You have your Type C, and then your DC out. Okay, 2 plugs. We have air pump. Gotta have one of those. Extra inner tube, just in case you get a flat somewhere. And these right here are my rain covers. There's 2 of them here. So we can get them apart. Alright, so this right here is for my bag. That covers my bag if it rains. Okay. This one right here is for my battery. So my battery when it starts raining. So that way my bike and stuff does not get messed up. Okay. And then I always keep my charger in here, just in case I'm out and need to charge it up. All my tools I have in here. Okay. And I also got a crescent wrench to go in here also. Tire gauge. These right here, inner tube valve, stem there, just in case if the stem get jacked up while you're out riding somehow. And then a strap to carry my bag if I need to carry my bag in somewhere with me. So those are all the things that I keep in my bag, aka my trunk, so I can be prepared for anything that happens to me while I'm on the side of the road or I'm out and about. And I will link the descriptions and the images of the things that I bought, especially this here. But I would suggest that before you buy one, make sure it is compatible with your bike. That way it can power your bike, because some of them do not work for some bikes. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope this is very helpful for you.